Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new, my name is Jess. Welcome to Smarter Beauty, where I do lots of cruelty-free beauty content here on my channel. So if that's something that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. My links will be here on the screen and also down below. So today I'm bringing you another shopmissa unboxing haul, although this isn't in a box. It's in a bag. So here it is. It's really big. If you guys want to see what I purchased, then definitely keep watching. Let's get into this haul. So Miss A is constantly coming out with so many new products. You guys know how much I love their brushes. I mean, I love just about everything. If you're new to my channel is cruelty-free. Now, not everything on their website is cruelty-free. The AOA Studio line is. It looks like a little burrito. Or a sushi roll. It kind of looks like a sushi roll. Alright, the first thing here that I was really interested in trying, these are the AOA Studio Shadow Armor Eyeshadow Fallout Patches. I definitely, you know, with doing like really dramatic looks like this, it definitely can come in handy now and then to use one of these, and I've never tried them before. So I'm so sorry about this packaging. It's so hard to show you. It's so reflective, but I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with these. A lot of companies sell them. All right, we have some lashes. Ooh la la. So I purchased a backup of one of my favorites as well. This is in the style Tori. And these are so pretty, you guys. I did a full try-on video and review, in-depth review on these lashes, so definitely check that video out. I feel like the last pair, the Tori pair I had, I think I cut them a little too short, so I'll try to avoid doing that, but these are so stunning. I love lashes like this, thick, and they have that like 3D foaming look to them. These are cruelty-free, they're vegan, they're $1. I think they're $1.55, something crazy like that, but they are amazing. So this is the new pair that I'm so excited. If you guys can't guess the name of these, it's my name, Jessica. So these are the Jessica lashes. I had to get them because obviously, I mean, come on. I was so excited they finally had a pair that had my name. So these are really nice. They're more softer. And these are just stunning, really, really pretty. I think these would be really great like everyday lashes. So I also purchased two backups of the style Jean, which I'm wearing right now. They're some of my favorites. Now the first pair I ordered forever ago when they first came out, it looks completely different from these, but here's both. These are both in the style Jean. And you let me know in the comment section below if you think they're very accurate. They look the same. I think they look pretty darn similar. All right, and then the last, I think this is the last pair. This is in the style Jackie. This is, again, one of my favorite pairs that I've worn to death. I probably need to throw them out. Yeah, these are really, really pretty. So these are more on the natural side, so I like using these for softer eye looks that I do. So I also wanted to try the eyelash glue. So this is the AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive. It's latex-free and no formaldehyde, thank goodness. Someone from Texas trying to call me. Like, I don't know anyone from Texas. No, thank you. You can leave a voice message. I wanted to give this a try. I've been trying to find another eyelash glue slash brand to try out. So, you know, hopefully it's good. I do prefer the one that has a brush applicator, so we'll have to give that a go and see if it's any good. So evidently I accidentally ordered two of these, which that's totally fine. Or maybe they just threw in an extra one. Maybe something was missing from my order. I'm not sure so far. But this is the AOA Studio Mask Brush. Really cute. Let's go ahead and open it up because this packaging is so reflective. All right, so here's what it looks like. Ooh, that's really nice. So it has a really cute little pink handle and a gold ferrule, and then it has this silicone pink, I'm not gonna call it a brush. Well, yeah, it's called a mask brush. You just put on your mask. I thought this would be perfect, and that way you're not wasting any of your product, because when I use a regular brush, it tends to soak up a lot and I feel like I'm wasting a lot of my face masks. So this is perfect. Oh, this is so cute. I love that. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. That is so cute. And I believe this is like $1. All right, so I'm gonna have to contact them because I'm actually missing I ordered it's called the Quick Brush Cleaner. It's kind of like a color switch where you can take your brush and rub it on the sponge and it removes the pigment or color from your brush so you can dip into another color. And that was like $1 something. That is not in my order. So I did purchase a couple backups of my favorite sponge. It's the Paw Paw Wonder Blender. Comes in different packaging now. So I did get 2 of them. I was a little nervous to buy the pack of like 6 or 8 I think you can buy now in a large pack. So I just purchased these for right now. And then this is a new one I wanted to try, and this is always sold out. This is the Microfiber Wonder Blender. This was $1.55, and yeah, latex free high def. This one is a really pretty purple color. Oh, this feels interesting. It feels so weird. It feels really weird. So here's what it looks like. It has a very harsh slant. This feels really weird. It feels so soft and airy. Oh, I don't know how to describe it, but it feels really, I don't know, hopefully it's good. I also purchased a backup of my favorite black tweezers from the AOA Studio line. The ones I have now are pretty old, and I made a huge boo-boo and I've bent them by accident, and now they're just like unusable. So hopefully a new pair will work out really nicely for me. These are really good. They also come in pink as well, and I think they're like $1. I didn't get these shades of liquid lipsticks. I could have sworn they were different colors. I'll have to go back and like look at my, official purchase. But anyways, these are the 2 that they sent me. I don't know, maybe I did order these, but these are the AOA Studio Wonder Metal liquid lipsticks. So we have the shade Truffle, which looks like a really pretty like coppery burgundy color. And then we have Solo. Now I think I already have this shade, and if I already have this shade, I didn't order this. Yep, I do have it. So this is the shade Solo. This is a very soft kind of like, it's almost like a gunmetal green / gray, like a green gray. So that is Solo. So this shade is called Truffle. I do believe I did order this one. These are really nice. They are a little bit on the dry side, but for $1, you really can't go wrong. So that is the shade Truffle and Solo. And then they have some new lip glosses that I thought I would give a try. And these are the Lip Pop lip gloss. They look like this. I just picked 2 different shades just to try out the formula, because you never know. I'm really picky when it comes to lip gloss formulas. Let me go ahead and open these up and I will swatch them for you. So the first shade we have is called Goddess, and it looks like this is a squeezy tube. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, it's a squeezy tube, but there's also a wand. Ooh, I like the packaging. I was really hoping that these had a sweet scent to them. Yeah, they don't have a scent to them at all. I was hoping they would smell sweet. I don't know, when I think of like lip pop, I thought they would have like maybe a fruity scent to them. So that's the shade Goddess right there. It's a really pretty like iridescent, very shiny pink. That's really pretty. I kind of want to put this on. Ooh, yes, thank you. These don't feel sticky. They don't feel sticky at all, so that's a plus. And again, I think these were like $1 or $2. So that's the shade City Girl right there. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. It's like a deep mauve, very deep nude. Oh, that's so pretty. I will definitely be wearing this. This would be beautiful to wear on its own. That is so opaque. Wow, I'm really impressed with these. All right, the last 2 lip products are actually lip balms, and I love a good lip balm. I'm kind of addicted to lip balms, especially in the winter months when your lips are so dry and you just have like a million of them. I constantly lose them all the time. So I thought I would try these out. So these are brand new, the AOA Studio Nourishing lip balms. I purchased the flavors strawberry and coconut because, well, you guys know my obsession with coconut. So this is the coconut one, and it just looks clear. Okay, I smell a little bit of coconut. It's very, very faint. Ooh, that feels nice. Very, very nourishing. Very nice. Oh, okay, now this one smells really good, you guys. The strawberry. Oh, it really does smell like strawberry. Again, this one is just clear. These are all clear. They're not tinted or anything. So that's the strawberry one. I can't wait to use these, and hopefully they keep my lips nice and moisturized. All right, moving on. I wanted to try the brand new AOE Studio Buttercream Gel Liner Plus Shadow. I was tempted to order all of them, but I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna try them out, see if the formula is good, and if they are good, I might just purchase all of them and do a review. So here's what they look like. They come in these cute little tubs. So this is in the shade Rosé. Rose? No, Rosé. It's a really pretty kind of rosy color. You guys. Oh, I hope these don't crease on my lid. That's my biggest pet peeve with products like this. Is it gonna crease? So that is Rosé, beautiful rose gold. Oh my goodness. I know that this shade will be very popular. All right, the next shade we have is called Sweet 16. This looks like a really pretty shimmery teal. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. So this is Pistachio. So here's what it looks like inside. And so they do have a huge range of colors to choose from. And again, some of them have a matte finish and some of them have a shimmer finish. Like these two are shimmers and this is a matte. I'm really impressed so far in terms of just swatching them. They are very creamy and they apply really nice. I'm really curious to let this dry down, and I'll try to check in with you guys before I end this video. Alright, so that was all the makeup. I know it wasn't that much. You guys have seen my past videos. I pretty much have tried a lot from Miss A. So let's move on to some fun accessories and some other fun things on their website. So this is the new A+ Cubie. It's a blender holder. I got the black one. They also have like rose gold and a few other colors. So here's what it looks like. It's just a nice, this is really nice quality, you guys. This was, what, $1.88. And so when you want to let your sponge dry after you clean it and wash it, this just allows air to circulate around your sponge. It'll help your sponge dry a lot faster. Now I do have this one. This is the rubber ones that they have from the AOE Studio line. And I use this one a lot as well. And you just put your little sponge in here. But I have to say, I like this concept better. All right, so next up we have the AOE Studio Self-Care Tool. And this is called, I think this is the like scalp massager, scalp massage, whatever you want to call it. I've seen these all over the place and I've always been curious to try one. It's so cute, really cute, like pink color. And I guess you just go like this. Ooh, oh, that feels nice. Ooh. Oh no, I'm messing my hair up now. I will definitely be using this on my nights where I want to pamper myself, like on the weekend. I can't wait to use that. That looks like so much fun. All right, the next thing I have here is a really cute reusable bag. I love these for just storing makeup. And this one is from their reuse collection. This was $1.33. And I love the new tag that they have here, but look how cute. This one says, "Be a good human." I really like that one, and I like the color. I love blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. So yeah, nice and roomy. I'm sure I'll find a use for it. I can never have enough of these bags. These are also really great if you're traveling as well, to like separate different things, or even your makeup. I can never have enough of these, and you can wash them. They're just a nice canvas material. All right guys, let's do a little check-in with those swatches. So again, those are the swatches. Here's my finger. Let's see what happens. Is it transferring? You guys, they dry down. Oh, they dry down. Oh, snap, you guys. I'm gonna try these immediately on my eyes because I'm excited. All right, guys, I do have a few hair accessories. I want to just, I don't know, have some fun playing with my hair. My hair is a lot shorter now. I actually need to cut it again. I ordered the multicolored one and it had multiple butterflies on it, but this one only has one butterfly, which is pretty, but this isn't the one that I ordered. I'm pretty sure this is not the one I ordered, but it's just one of those like flower crowns and you just go like this. This would be really cute to just be creative with like Instagram posts and things like that. I don't know, I just wanted to do something, try something different, you know? All right, then next up I got some hairpins. Just, you know, a larger hairpin. It's gold and it has like diamonds, fake diamonds. and some pearls. And this one looks really cute. So this one has like some diamonds on it. And these are just really simple like bobby pins. But it's just really cute. This one has diamonds. Some of them have pearls. All right, then I did pick out a couple of headbands. So this one right here is, this one reminds me of, okay, so they had some really cute headbands that were like a towel with cute like bows and bunny ears and things like that. I wanted one so bad, but they were all sold out. Every color, every style was sold out. So I opted for this instead because I really needed something to help hold my hair back when I'm washing my face and doing my skincare at night. And this one's really cute. It just has this kind of towel like texture, and this is in a nice navy blue, and it's just a simple headband. I don't want to put it on right now, but you just put it on like this and you're able to like do your makeup, hair, whatever. So I got this 100% cotton black bandana. You guys remember when bandanas were such a huge thing? I don't know if they're a thing anymore, but I really miss doing my hair in kind of like a pin-up hairstyle. I kind of miss doing that. So I don't own a bandana, so I thought I would go ahead and try this out. It's just a simple bandana. They had different colors. Here's the print. Yeah, you just fold it a certain way and tie it up and do like a really cute pin-up hairstyle. So that was my thinking with this. All right guys, we've come to the end of this haul. I only have one more item left, and this is another headband. Hope you can see the little strawberries. It's so cute. That's so nice. And I actually like how stretchy it is. I think this might fit my I have a big head, you guys. Should we try it? I think it's just barely going to fit. My ears are so red. Yeah, this is so cute with like the strawberries. I like just throwing my hair, you know, back out of my face, out of the way. It's just nice to kind of throw in a cute hair accessory. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little random Miss A unboxing haul. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. All my links are always below in the description box, and I would love to have you. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I will see you all in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.